Hi, we'll be solving remainders problem today. What is the remainder when 67 raised to 67 plus 67 is divided by 68? Now we need to find the remainder of this expression by 68. The first thing to note is the number which is given to us is actually 68 minus 1. So in order to solve this, we are going to use multiple concepts. The first one is remainder of sum of two values by a number is same as sum of individual remainders by that same number, right? So the remainder will be same as remainder of this by 68 plus remainder of this by 68. Now remainder of this by 68 will be equal to minus 1 or will be equal to 67 itself. Now let's see what is the remainder of this expression by 68. Now in order to solve this, we'll be using a concept called as binomial theorem, where we are going to split the number 67 into two numbers. One number will be a multiple of 68, which will be 68 itself, and other number will be a very small number to make the entire sum or difference as 67. So we can write 67 as 68 minus 1 whole raised to 67. Now we are going to open this using binomial theorem. And the reason we are doing that is once we open this using binomial theorem, all the terms apart from one term will actually be multiple of 68 and will give zero remainder when that term is divided by 68. And our problem will reduce to what is the remainder of that one term which is not divisible by 68 by 68. So let's do this. So each term will have a combination term which will be 67c. The bottom part will start from 0. It will keep on increasing till the time it reaches 67, multiplied by 68 raised to 67. The power of 68 will keep on reducing and will become 0 in the last term, multiplied by minus 1 raised to 0. Power of minus 1 will keep on increasing till the time it reaches 67. So that's the first term. Second term will be 67c1, 68 raised to 66, multiplied by minus 1 raised to 1, and so on. Second last term will be 67c66, 68 raised to 1, minus 1 raised to 66, plus the last term will be 67c67, 68 raised to 0, and minus 1 raised to 67. Now, if you notice, all these terms have 68 as one of the term and a positive power of 68, except the last term. That means all the terms apart from the last term, when divided by 68, will give us zero remainder. So our problem is reduced to what is the remainder when 67c67, 68 raised to 0, and minus 1 raised to 67 is divided by 68. So this is 1. This is also 1, and this is minus 1. That means this term is minus 1. So our problem is what is the remainder when minus 1 is divided by 68. So remainder will be minus 1 plus 68 or will be equal to 67. Now remainder of this term was also 67. So the total remainder is 67 plus 67, which can be written as 68 plus 66. The remainder of this by 68 will be equal to 66. So answer will be option number D. Now, if you want to master the concept of remainders and want to solve similar problems, do check out the videos provided in the description of this video. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.